The Sony FX3 II is rumoured to be the successor to the well-regarded FX3. This new camera is expected to be a strong competitor to top cinema cameras, offering advanced video features. It might even replace the popular Sony A7S III, which would simplify choices for filmmakers by focusing on the cinema line. While not much information is available yet, let's look at the potential features being speculated. One of the most anticipated features of the FX3 II is the introduction of a global shutter, a technology that could significantly enhance its video capabilities. A global shutter eliminates the notorious rolling shutter effect in many traditional cameras. This is crucial when filming fast-moving objects or performing quick pans, as the rolling shutter distortion can lead to undesirable artifacts like skewing or wobbling. The global shutter's potential is immense, particularly for professional video applications where image quality is of paramount importance. As the FX3 II is poised to bridge the gap between Sony's FX line and the high-end Venice cinema camera, its ability to handle fast-moving scenes with pristine clarity could elevate it to an entirely new level. Rumours surrounding the FX3 II's 24-megapixel sensor suggest that Sony is not focusing on pushing the resolution to unprecedented levels. Instead, the emphasis appears to be on optimizing the sensor for video, particularly 4K recording. While some may expect higher megapixels, this 24-megapixel resolution is carefully selected to offer the perfect balance for video shooting. A lower resolution sensor like this can capture more light, providing better low-light performance. The decision to use a 24-megapixel sensor in the FX3 II also indicates a refined approach to video production. It's speculated that this sensor will excel in 4K recording, particularly with the 180 FPS capability. However, Sony may offer an option for 6K or 8K video recording, much like the FX6, giving filmmakers the flexibility to crop or reframe shots in post-production without losing detail. Sony's new camera code WW293541 and a technical document released in November 2023 hint that the FX3 II may be capable of recording 4K video at a groundbreaking 240 FPS. This high frame rate at 4K resolution would place the FX3 II at the forefront of the video camera market. According to the document detailing the XAVC codec specifications, 4K at 240 FPS recordings will require a high bitrate, around 480 Mbps for 420 color sampling, or 800 Mbps for 422 color sampling. These bitrates are achievable with modern media formats like CF Express Type A and V90 SD cards, ensuring that storage and data handling are not limiting factors. Filmmakers often need to slow down action shots for dramatic effect, and 240 FPS at 4K resolution ensures that even the fastest movements are captured with stunning detail. Given that the FX3 II is likely to cater to high-end productions, its ability to shoot at such high frame rates positions it as an essential tool for various work. In addition to 4K at 240 FPS, the FX3 II is also rumoured to feature 4K at 180 FPS recording. The ability to shoot 180 FPS in 4K will make the FX3 II an even more versatile camera for dynamic filming. An exciting aspect of the Sony FX3 II is its fanless design, a feature it inherits from its predecessor, the FX3. The lack of a fan means that the camera will remain silent during operation, which is crucial when shooting in controlled environments or on set where audio quality is a priority. Many filmmakers have opted for the FX3 because of its ability to capture pristine video without intrusive fan noise, and the FX3 II is set to retain this advantage. For documentary filmmakers, wedding videographers, and any creators working in intimate settings, the silent operation of the FX3 II makes it an invaluable tool. Although the FX3 II is expected to remain fanless, one area where it could see improvement is the optional EVF accessory. Like the FX3, the FX3 II will not have a built-in electronic viewfinder, but it will reportedly support an EVF accessory that can be attached to the hot shoe. This decision may come as a disappointment to some users who prefer to have the EVF integrated into the camera. However, the flexibility of an optional accessory allows users to customize their setup based on their needs. For videographers who require an EVF for precise control, the accessory will provide the necessary functionality without sacrificing the camera's compact form factor. Rumors surrounding the FX3 II is that it could replace not only the FX3 but also the A7S III. The A7S III has long been the go-to choice for video-centric Alpha series users, but with the FX3's success and the anticipated features of the FX3 II, Sony may choose to consolidate its offerings. This move would streamline the company's product lineup, making the FX3 II the go-to choice for both high-end video production and hybrid workflows. Looking at the A7S III and FX3 side by side, the two cameras share many similarities in terms of core specs. Both feature the same 12-megapixel full-frame sensor, the Bioenz XR processor, 5-axis image stabilization, and a fully articulated screen. The key difference lies in the design philosophy. The A7S III has a traditional mirrorless design with an integrated EVF, while the FX3 opts for a more compact, minimalist design focused on video production needs. A common critique of Sony's video cameras is the lack of internal RAW recording, a feature that could potentially set the FX3 II apart from its competitors. While external recorders have offered 16-bit RAW output, having this capability internally would significantly streamline the workflow for professionals. For filmmakers working in high-end commercial or cinematic productions, this feature is invaluable for capturing the highest quality footage possible, giving them greater flexibility in post-production color grading and dynamic range. The speculation surrounding the FX3 II and its potential to replace the A7S III has sparked debate about the future of Sony's camera lineup. With the FX3 II offering features previously reserved for high-end cinema cameras, it's clear that Sony is positioning its cinema line as the future of professional video production. This shift might mark the end of the A7S series, signaling a more unified approach to video-centric mirrorless cameras. As the industry demands more specialized tools for specific needs, Sony's evolution of the FX3 II could be the perfect solution for videographers seeking cutting-edge performance without compromising flexibility. Thank you for watching. With the Sony FX3 II's release approaching, it looks set to transform video production. Featuring potential upgrades like a global shutter and fanless operation, the FX3 II is poised to be an essential tool for filmmakers. Combining the video capabilities of the FX line with Alpha series versatility, it promises to be the go-to camera for all types of projects. Do you think the same? Let's discuss it in the comments section below.